This is not your house, dude. Can I help you? You don't live here. Can you get out of my room?
Silly, sassy, unstoppable. This cat's got main character energy.
Okay. Okay. You want some treats?
This cat has the power to convert anyone. No one can resist this level of cuteness.
This cat listens better than your ex.
It's fine. It was just a dream anyway. Do you like salsa? Yeah? Yeah. Do you like hot salsa? Oh, okay. Alright.
This little chunk is outraged by the fat angle betrayal.
She was just... Oh, and you heard me? I'm sorry.
Peak feline drama.
Hello. Hello, Jackie. Ooh. You look nice.
They hear you, they just don't care. Total mood.
Oh, you're so Oh, you're so cute. Yes, you are. I'm not good stuff. No, I'm not good stuff.
Why do you have to have your hand on my ear? Thank you.
Stop yelling at me. Stop yelling at me. Oh, what? You want to run up on me now? No. You don't bully mommy. Jaspy.
Ruthie!
That desperate mama. Let me in. Cry? We've all done it.
Oh boy. Oh, you already went in?
You having zoomies? Yeah, you have zoomies.
Zoomies activated.
Ooh,
1 second, calm. Next second,
play?
absolute chaos.
Okay. Right? Come on. Come on. Hmm? Why? Right?
Leo, listen, we need to talk. Kiss another cat. I'm sorry, but he just doesn't bite. Are you okay?
Where is Mama gonna sit? Right there? Oh, okay. Can you meet it though?
Let me hear a meow.
It's neighbor cat. Time for morning snuggles. The baker is in. Oh, We started calling him Caramello since we don't know his real name.
The same exact thing in the past other two that I
Are you a sink kitty? Yeah? You want to turn the water on?
Kelly!
Said what?
She said what? Do you hear it?
Alright, so I'm gonna get out with you.
Do you want jam? I ran out of her cat food.
Are you good?
This is not our cat. He came over one day, and he keeps coming back. He's cute though. Handsome fella, you comfy. He loves the snuggles.
Simba, if you love me, move your leg 2 times.
Are you guys hungry?
She talks, you pet. That's the rule.
Babe, are you hungry? Say yeah!
How do we pet? How do we? Oh.